Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix missing buy it now button. Now if it's replaced with another button like shop now or like express payments methods, okay, if that makes sense, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem right now. Now if it doesn't even appear, like if the buy it now doesn't even appear on the product page, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get it back. And if it appears but you see something else, not buy it now button, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it. Okay, so just follow the steps in this video. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, so after that, and then you want to click on online store here in the left. Okay, so after, guys, you click on online store, you want to click on customize here. Okay, so after you click customize, it's going to take you guys to your theme editor. Okay, so you just need to click here on in the top here in the home. You want to press on home page in the top and then click on products, and then you want to click on default product. Okay, so after, guys, you click on default product, you will see here this buy. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back. You will see here this buy buttons here. Just click on it and make sure you check this. Like if the buy button doesn't appear on your product page, it's not showing. Then you just need to toggle this off, toggle this on where it says show dynamic checkout buttons. You just need to toggle it on and make sure you click on save in the top right. Now if the buy button is showing on the product page, but it's something else like shop pay or express payment methods, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this. Now what you guys need to do, you want to go back and you want to just go back to the Shopify dashboard and click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, so after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on payments here. Okay, so after, guys, you click on payments, you want to click on manage in the top right. Like as you can see, you already enabled Shopify payments, that's why you don't see here the buy button. You see like shop now or something like that. Okay, so you just need to click here on manage in the top right, and after, guys, you click on manage, you want to click on, if you can see here like shop pay or whatever. If you don't, then click on manage payment methods in the top right. Okay, so after, guys, you click on manage payment methods, you want to toggle off shop pay and Apple Pay because these are like express payment methods. Like it helps like customers purchase these items quickly. Okay, that's the problem. Like if you shop pay, if you target like multiple countries with your Shopify store, like people from Africa or most countries in Europe, they will not be able to see the shop pay here. They will only see the normal, what is the standard buy it now. Okay, because it's not available, like shop pay is not available on all countries. So this is the shop pay button is only going to appear to people in the US. Okay, so but if you also want to disable it, you want to leave this buy it now standard button, you can just uncheck the shop now. Just search here for shop now and then check it and see if the button is now changed to buy it now button. If it's not, go back to the same settings and disable Apple Pay and see if it works. Okay, and then if it doesn't, disable Google Pay and see if you can see this standard buy it now button. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, guys. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone in just a few minutes. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next tutorial.